Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC for sale. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Power memory seats on driver and passenger side, as well as heated seats. Lumbar support. Steering wheel. Rear seats. Quick look up here at the front of the vehicle. And coming around to the rear, we've got our GLA 250, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close, and let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 35,429. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display. It's where you can access radio, navigation, and view your backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls, including the heated seats. Cigarette lighter and ashtray, cup holder, command module here for making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.